Oh, that takes some beating. Oh man, that is amazing. Oh, you've got that crumble topping on there. Absolutely delicious. Straight through to the banana. Oh, it's a fantastic sweet. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making a banana crumble. We've got old bananas here which are going, and we haven't got time to make a trifle and all the rest of it. Crumble comes together like that, so easy. All we've got to do is peel these, slice these, throw them in there with some ingredients, mix up a crumble, stick it in the oven, 180. Let's do it, come on. Bananas. We don't want those ends. You can go peel them all if you want. It's up to you. We're just going to come through there like that. Nice and straightforward. So we just want to, you can slice if you want, or you can just chuck them all in there and mash them. It's up to you. We're just going to give them a little head start by running a knife over, look. And that is going in our bowl. In there, about a tablespoon, something like that, of lemon juice. Want about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to hit that up with a little bit of salt. Want a little bit of cinnamon going in there. Just a little bit. Now we're not going to give it a mashing as such, but we're just going to break a couple of those up in there. Stir that cinnamon around, because it's definitely going to cook itself, so we don't have to go too crazy, you know. So I'll just give that a mix up in there, bring all that cinnamon and everything in. Nice and easy, look. Okay, today I will be using an 8x8 glass dish. I've buttered it, look, in there with all that. Just give that in there. There we go. That's nice and straightforward. It's a very easy one, this. One side. In here, all-purpose plain flour, rolled oats, brown sugar. Now we are hitting that up with a little bit of salt. Salt to taste, but you're going to need it. And we're going in there with a little bit of cinnamon. Give that a mix in. And then we're going to go in with our butter and make some breadcrumbs. Our butter in there. Give it a little mix in, and then we can get our hands in and make it into breadcrumbs, the same as if we were going to make pastry. Just give it a head start. In we go, come on. And it's not hard, it's just a case of twiddle it around in your fingers. A nice loose mix, breadcrumbs. There we go, that will do. Grab our tray back with our banana and on there with our crumble. So that's it, that's crumble made. That's so easy, so quick. You know, this is one of those puddings that you could knock up straight away after a roast dinner or something like that. Absolutely delicious. In fact, they're fantastic anytime. Custard, ice cream or cream. Right, in the oven. It's going in the oven for about 35 minutes. 35 minutes is going to give us a nice crispy crunchy top and a nice cooked banana inside. Okay, that's nearly finishing off. We want some custard in there. A little bit of milk, something like that, that'll do. And we're going to go in there with some instant custard powder. made on this channel. Link now if you want to make it. We do no more than add a couple of tablespoons of this. Whisk. Bring in that powder. Fabulous. Flame on. If it goes too thick, you add a bit more milk. Or you could thin it with water if you wanted. Up to you. And there we go. Custard made. How easy is that? Now obviously you can cook it more if you want a thick custard. I don't, not for this, because we've got a nice crumble top which is full of flour and sugar and things. I want the custard to soak into it. Right, we need to bob this to one side. That is looking absolutely fabulous. Come on, let's have that out of there. That is something special right there. Man, it smells good in here. It smells like caramel. Caramel, the bananas with the butter and the sugar. Oh, it's delightful. Come on. Oh, we want a decent bit of crumble, don't we? We're going to have to hold it though because it's red hot. Oh, look at that. And a little bit of custard. Look at that. Banana crumble, so good. You're going to let your bananas go brown on purpose. Look at that. Come on. You know it's got to be done. Come on, we're in. Oh, the smell is amazing. Wow. Oh, that takes some beating. Oh man, that is amazing. Oh, you've got that crumble topping on there. Absolutely delicious. Straight through to the banana. Oh, it's a fantastic sweet. That is absolutely off the charts. Fantastic. That crust on there, you know, buttery. It's a bit like a caramel crust. It's delicious. Straight through to the bananas. Oh, there's no words. There's no words. I need to stuff my face. Hold on. There's still no words. It's that good. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to use up whole bananas. Make banana crumble. If you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh.